Hello, I'm Molly and we are in the workshop here at Bridge Classic Cars, and I'm here with one of our technicians, Pete. Now Pete, you're working on this car behind us. Now this is quite different for us, isn't it?
It is, yeah. So this one, we're doing a full body restoration on this, complete bare metal as you can see. This one's been acid dipped to remove every trace of something that shouldn't be on it.
Yeah.
So under seal, paint, filler, the whole lot. All gone.
We don't normally acid dip our cars, do we?
We don't, no, but this one's such an extensive restoration that we felt it was a good idea to dip this one to give us like a fresh start on it.
Yeah.
A whole new start.
So when this is finished, it's going to be an absolutely beautiful Mercedes 350 SL,
Of course it is.
isn't
That's
it?
what we do, yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
So what is kind of the first part of this restoration? When you look at the car, now it's been stripped back, what happens
So what
next?
we've done is we've had a good look now it's back from acid dipping, figured out where all the rot areas are.
Yeah.
So we can get some repair panels on order, because you can buy quite a bit for these still. The bits and pieces that we can't get, we'll fabricate here in-house. So we've got an order in, so we're just waiting for some bits to turn up. There were some pre-ordered bits on there, but obviously now it's been dipped, we've found some more. So we'll get those bits on order as well. And yeah, just make a good start on it really.
Amazing,
Yeah.
so welding today?
Welding today, maybe.
Today maybe, if they come in time.
If they come in time.
I can't wait to join you along for the long journey of making this car beautiful again.
Yeah, great. Look forward to it.